David, pretty tough times in industry at the moment. What's Hurco doing to support UK engineers with incentives to purchase your machines? Let's talk about the VM10.
Yeah, we've got some, because Mac didn't go ahead, we've been able to add some extra discounts where the show didn't cost us, and that's really helped. So for example, the VM10 I've got behind me, we've got a nice X Demo offer, £35,900 for the basic machine, plus all the options just to get someone up and running and going, installed and trained and everything.
And would you be able to deliver one of these quickly?
This is an X Demo machine, so it's ready X stock, but we've got a couple of others in stock as well.